Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be something really unique because today I am going to show you two different ways how I detangle my hair. You will be like, detangling your hair is that much important? Yes, that much important. I have a very curly frizzy hair. I have a certain process to detangle my hair. If you have a wavy frizzy curly hair, detangling your hair is something you should always care about. Try to detangle it, you end up breaking your hair. So this is the video for you. I'm going to show you two different ways how I detangle my hair. Most important thing when it comes to detangling is what brush you are using. This is the number one thing. What brush you're using matters so much. Using very unprofessional flimsy kind of a brush, it is going to break your hair. It's going to end up having a lot of hair fall. I'm so happy to say that today's video is sponsored by Fabmin, and this is their detangling brush. This is what it looks like. I think if you're looking for a detangler to tangle your hair which will cause less breakage, hair will not end up having split ends, you will have less hair fall, I think this is a perfect product for you. What the bristles looks like, they are super soft and made in such a way so that you can get less hair fall and hair breakage. You can see the pattern over here, and this is like very travel friendly as well. This is like so small. I love this particular brush so much. So today I'm gonna show you two different methods how I use this brush to detangle my hair in two different ways. So yeah, let's get started. So the first method is going to be dry hair method, where I don't want to wash my hair but I still want to manage this frizzy, tangled, curly hair. So the first step that I do is section my hair. I'm gonna quickly section it, and I'm gonna take my lower section first, and then the most important tool is the detangler. So here's my detangler. First I am going to semi-wet my hair. I'm not going to wet my hair completely. It's going to be a semi-wet method. And then with my detangler, first I am using it on the lower portion of my hair, and this is how you can like help your hair from getting less breakage. You will not have any breakage with this method. So the first thing was using it on the lower portion, and then using it on the middle portion, and then the upper portion. So this is how you can detangle your hair within seconds, and with the help of this brush, as you guys can see, it's just taking me few seconds to detangle my hair. And I don't know how I am going to explain this, but my hair is so messy. It's so curly, so frizzy. So detangling my hair is such a tough work, but with this particular brush it's super easy. If you don't believe my words, you can just use this particular product and see the difference, how easy it will be to detangle your hair. So I'm quickly going to talk about this detangler. This is a Detangler Pro from Fabme, and this is a professional detangling brush that smoothens your hair. It also contains flexible bristles that move and bend with your hair, thus reducing hair loss and split ends as well. And this also helps you to put less pressure on your hair and your scalp. And also look at the size. It's such a travel friendly product. It's so small in size as well. So as you guys can see, my hair is completely detangled now, and that's it. That's how I do my first method. Now I am going to show you the second method, which is when I wash my hair. When I take shower, this is also a time when you can detangle your hair. So as you guys can see, first I am using my shampoo and washing my hair really well. Then the next step is using my conditioner. You can detangle your hair while using your conditioner, or when you are using your hair mask as well. So here's my Detangler Pro, and now I am again going to detangle my hair, starting from the lower portion of my hair and then going a little bit more upward and upward. So this is also how you can detangle your hair. The conditioner is actually going all over your hair because you are detangling it while you are taking your shower. So your hair is getting all the nourishment, conditioner, mask, every single thing, also getting tangle free as well. So with this particular method, when your hair will get dry, you will have tangled free, smooth, frizz free hair. And I think this is also a great method to detangle your hair as well. And here I am just washing all the conditioner from my hair, which is really important. Don't forget to wash your conditioner from your hair. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. That's how I detangle my hair. I have shown you two methods. Let me know which one is your favorite method. That's it for today's video, guys. I think you guys know by now how helpful this particular brush is. Everything will be linked down in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow FabMe and my Instagram account as well. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.